Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nima Bishnoi and I love traveling as much as I love staying at home. And today I'll be recreating a makeup look which I have been eyeing for a while. And this makeup look I would be a part of me practicing for my bridal makeup, like not exactly bridal makeup but for the smaller functions. Also, if you're into soft glam or bridal makeup inspiration, keep watching. So the look I'll be recreating is this one. I'll show you guys on screen also. So I know the basic of makeup and I've been doing my makeup. मैंने कभी ऐसे बाहर से मेकअप नहीं करवाया बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक वेरी हैवी फिनिश और एवरीथिंग बट आई थिंक वेडिंग you'll need a little bit more coverage, you'll need a lot more things, so I wanted to be prepared for that, and I'll be consulting with the makeup artist very soon, and we'll do other stuff also. But before that I want to get into key things I like and how I can achieve those looks, because I cannot have a makeup artist for every small function and I want to do my makeup for most of it because I don't trust anyone else. So yes, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing, the look I showed you, it has very glowy base. So सबसे पहले we'll be doing skin prep. I'll start in with a toner. Then I'll go in with the eye cream. See, I'm not an expert. I'm just somebody who doesn't want to pay like a lot of money to my makeup artist. So I did have word with few I like जिनका काम मुझे समझ आता है, वे उनका जो उनकी ब्राइड्स होती है वो दिखती हैं. So I contacted them to know कि okay how much it'll be costing, and so for one event they're asking 2 lakh, and everything is separate. The stay, commute, everything is separate, and just for one event it is 2 lakh, and I don't think I can afford that just for a makeup. Like I won't be able to wash my face after that. So there are people जो कम में कर देंगे, but I don't think I would like the vibe. You know, I've been watching makeup videos and I've been following people from a very long time, and I exactly know what I want. So I want to see if I can achieve it to an extent, and then I can go for a makeup artist for one event or two event depending on how we make it look. Have that glowy look from within, I'll be using this dew drop. It has this shimmer. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Nima Bishnoi, and my page is all about travel, vlogs, skincare, a little bit of makeup, and yeah, I do almost everything because I get bored of doing one thing about that. So I'll be taking a color corrector. Dark hair. So I'll take a beauty blender and blend this. Now let's go in with concealer. Actually, I won't go in with concealer. I'll take a pink. I'll take a blush, and I'll just apply it all thick. So I'm very experimental in nature anyways, like with food also I can't help but experiment. Being a bride is not easy, okay? You want so many things, it's not easy. So whoever thinks that it is easy, now you'll be concealing. See, I'm using a lot of concealer because I used to, मतलब मैं weddings में भी जब जाती हूँ और मैं बाद में pictures देखती हूँ, my makeup you will be very subtle, like almost no makeup look, क्योंकि I can't do heavy, but I have to practice that. See, as you can see, she has even एकदम base and थोड़ा सा structure around her face. I'll do a brown here and then pink, right? I'll go in with foundation. I'll take just 1 pump and I'll mix the glowy drop I used earlier with my foundation as well. If you guys know any products which are like very good, and if you have used any products which you think are like bang on for this purpose, do recommend. Let's try another trick. before setting our face. So we'll take a fixing spray and just spray it. Now we will let it dry. Powder on a brush. Just set it. Seen ब्राइडल मेकअप्स में और ऐसा मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को ऐसा करते हुए दैट दे वुड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द आई. मुझे थोड़ा सा absurd लगता है वो. आई विल ट्राई दैट इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो मे बी, राइट, दैट वी विल स्टार्ट विद द आई फर्स्ट. Now let's fix our eyebrows. First I'll go in with this brown shade, like orangey brown, whatever that is, and just do my crease area. That definition. Now I'll go in with a hot pink. I've never applied hot pink, I think, on my eyes. Yeah, I have never done this. Almost like blending the two and blending it like this. See, it's not still pink, right? So I have another palette. I'll try iska pink shade on my eyes. I want to like hot pink, and then what I'll do is I'll go with a brown and blend it all bahar se. Don't bring the brown in center like this. So the brown you have applied अपनी crease पे, I'll take that same brown and apply it under my eyes. Now I'll go in with the silver glitter between my eyes. Just define this a little bit. Contour. Let's do that. The brush. In girly, I think एक तो फायदा होता है that we have that defined structure, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, ठीक है. Then at the same time, I'll go in with a bright concealer. Like आपने यहाँ पे brown किया, brown like color correct, not color correct, sorry. And do this. Now you'll see. Now blend it all. Start with the lighter shade first, going in with the darker shade. It has a lot of pink on this area exactly. So first I'll go in with this. Then I will go in with a powder blush and just bring it under my eyes a little bit. Here I used a loose powder. Now I'm using a pressed powder and go under my eyes once again. See, I think if you see the difference. Go in with my mascara. At the ends I'm doing like this, so that'll give a bit pushuk. For my lips, I'll go in with a lip liner. Then I'll go in with a nude lipstick. Now also she had a lot of glitter on her face, so I would guess that was a lot of highlighter, so I'll be using a highlighter, but that is like a lot like at all the high points. This area, this area, this area. Now that is done, and I'll take I need a little bit of more of blush I can do, because she has a lot of blush on her cheeks, like that is like a lot of blush. So I would just tap a little bit more here and a little bit more here. So this is me using the third blush. The look has a lot of blush and highlight. now ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे punch कर दिया. This is very pigmented, this sugar blush, and just press it in. Also, she has very shiny lips, so I'll just do that. That is the final look. I would say not bad.